This is Kang, your e-commerce coach, Lazada and Shopee expert seller, and also e-commerce entrepreneur motivator. So let me address some of the very common questions that I get most of the time.
Okay, so now in this new world, in this new economy, can you still make money? Or how can you increase income for you and your family? So the answer to your question is by selling online, okay, in Lazada and Shopee. Then you may ask me, is there still room for me to sell? The answer is yes. More and more people are changing, okay, to buying from retail to buying online. Okay, so there are still many new trends or whatever that you can catch, okay, get products to sell that will really easily generate income for you and your family. You may ask me, okay, you really want to get this income that you told me is so easy, right? But how am I going to boost my sales? Question number one. And question number two is that, you told me that e-commerce is the answer, okay, but how am I going to start selling? I mean, how am I going to do it? Okay. And number three, that you already have a retail store or maybe some products at your house, but you are worried that it may not sell online. Okay. And number four, that you may think, oh, I'm so small, I cannot compete against other sellers. I'm telling you the answer here, right? You don't worry. Okay. With my guidance, okay, all my students have learned everything from knowing nothing of zero knowledge to growing their sales, to getting more and more products, and their sales are growing. uh, some of the students, some even get 5 figures within the first few months of their when they start their store. Okay, so nothing is impossible. It's just that you really need to learn the steps. So why take a guided course and not just get some free information on YouTube or other videos? Okay, number one is YouTube is just in general, okay, just a general, but this guided course here, okay, but the guided course in my website www.compreneur.com, okay, is a very comprehensive course from step one up to the last step, which is first is the opening of accounts, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what are the mistakes to avoid, okay, how to make the listings attractive to the buyers and stand out against all the competition, and how to get traffic and convert traffic into sales and to get repeat customers again and again. Okay, so this entire course is a Shopee course, a Lazada course, and the one which is the most popular, okay, is the Lazada and Shopee course. Okay, and I also have private coaching, okay, which is private coaching with me, okay, as your mentor, and this private coaching also includes the Lazada and Shopee class. Okay, so all this, right, if you want to stop wasting time and money, okay, to make stupid and silly mistakes like what I did last time when nobody was guiding me when I first started. Okay, I made a lot of silly and costly mistakes to my business. Okay, so I don't want you all to repeat this business, and I'm going to help you all along the way. Okay, and number two is I will take you from a very shortest and most simplest journey from A to Z, okay, on all this, okay, without wasting time. You will know exactly what to do. And thirdly, I have a Facebook support group. Even after you finish watching the videos, you want to ask questions, you have access to me. It's a private Facebook group which you can post your questions, and other students also can help you out, and I will be there all the time. Okay, so don't worry that you will have me as your teacher, your mentor, and your trainer. Okay, so this most important is you need to take action and start your journey as an e-commerce entrepreneur to increase your income for yourself and for your family.